Now I'm back again. Right now I'll be sharing with you guys the technique, or at least one of the forms of technique for sandbag carries. So you guys have heard me talk so much about conditioning and strongman type conditioning where, Zercher carries, farmer's walks, sandbag work, keg carries. You guys have all seen this in my conditioning playlist and also my conditioning workouts. So this episode I'll be going more in depth of how to actually pick up the sandbag. And if you ask like 10 different lifters how to pick up a sandbag, you're gonna get 10 different ways. Just like how I mentioned in my dumbbell row video, there are some ways where they still do work, they're just other ways. There's not only one universal way to lift a weight off the ground. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys my way, and I feel like it works pretty well. It's a great upper back exercise, great for conditioning, and we're just gonna go straight into it. So this one is around 215 right now, and we got around 145-ish on the right one. So as far as the setup is concerned, look, you have a lot of strongman competitors, for example, when they're doing like races, they might pull it up one side and then just like plop it up and then they'll just run with it. I'm just gonna be showing you guys a different way. I like to just put my feet under it. This is not a race, so we can take our time with this. I'm gonna get my hands under this. So I don't wanna hold it like this. I wanna really hug it more. And now I'm gonna get my hips lower like this. So it's very similar to a trap bar deadlift in my opinion, but the weight is just more in front of you. It's just more awkward. It's just a big sandbag. So at first the setup is a bit more like a trap bar deadlift, and then you want to pendlay row it while you duck under. Then you're gonna hold on to it, and ideally I want it slightly above the belly button. We don't want to be holding it too low, because after every lap you take, the sandbag is going to go lower and lower and lower. So from the get-go, we want it to be around above the belly button area. So I get my hands under this. I'm going to try to, just like how when you're holding on to a trap bar deadlift, I know I'm going to get right into it. You want to bend the bar. Same thing applies with this. I want to kind of like tighten up my lats, kind of like a pullover. I want to keep the sandbag close to me. So you should feel a lot of lat tension, and you're going to feel a little bit of like a pec deck type tension with the pecs because you're hugging it while you're also keeping it close to you. So this, hips low. So you saw that motion right there? As I'm trap bar deadlifting it up, I'm ducking under. It's like a hybrid of a trap bar deadlift and a pendlay row, so it's an explosive pull while you duck under, then you come up. So I'm gonna do it again. This. Once I'm here, as far as the hand position, you see a lot of different people doing it in different ways. You could just have it like this. Your hands do this. Boom. Now as far as like a walk, I like to get forward and back walk, so like this. So this gives me a new reference to the ground because I'm getting the reverse walk. Now as you can see the sandbag, it's not too high, but it's not too low either. Every time you take a round, it's gonna go lower and lower and lower. So that's why we wanna keep it around like chin level, hug it, like that. Then you can just drop it. What's cool about sandbags too is that no matter how heavy they get, if you drop a sandbag on your foot, it's not gonna have any impact on the foot. So they're very safe in that way. But that's pretty much it as far as sandbags are concerned. A very quick tutorial. You wanna feel your lats tighten up as if you're bending the bar. You wanna do a trap bar deadlift / pendlay row where you pull it up, duck under. You wanna hug the bar hug the bag as if you're doing a pec deck. So you wanna maintain that tightness while also keeping the bag close to you. Then you can just walk back and forth. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That's personally how I do the sandbag carry, but let me know in the comment section how you're personally doing it. Let me know if you learned anything, and see you next time.